Hi everyone, welcome back to Sarah's Cookery Tips. Thanks for joining me today. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, much appreciated. So today I'm going to make for you a spaghetti carbonara. This is a simple, quick dish for all the family to enjoy. So come on, let's get going. So for today's recipe, you're going to need 115 grams of spaghetti, flat leaf parsley for garnish, ground black pepper, 1 egg, 2 rashers of thick bacon, and Parmesan cheese. So initially we're going to get the pan boiling and we're going to add some salt to the water for your pasta. This will take probably 8 to 10 minutes. Varying on the one that you have purchased, just do check the directions on the back of your packet. So while the pasta's boiling, we will grate the Parmesan cheese. We want 60 grams of this hard Italian cheese. And once we've got that, we're going to add the egg to the bowl and give it a mix. And then stirring in the Parmesan cheese. Okay, I've already taken the rind off the bacon, so now we're just going to cut it up into small pieces. Just roughly. I'm just going to add them straight into the pan. There's no need for any oil. Because it all adds to the flavouring for the spaghetti, the crisp. So you're going to cook the bacon until your texture, till you want it crispy, or however you like your bacon. And then we're going to set that aside. Now we're turning off the heat on both pans and we're putting the spaghetti in the pan which the bacon was in. This gives all the flavourings from the bacon to the pasta. There is no heat anymore. The egg and cheese mix is going to go straight into the pasta. The heat will cook the egg. As you can see, the creamy texture's starting to come. Add some more of the pasta water to again make your lovely cheesy sauce. In goes the bacon. And to toss this all together. So no heat at all. The pasta's cooking the egg. Black pepper. And then we're going to serve on the plate. Garnish with a little bit of flat parsley. and just a little bit more grated Parmesan on top to finish. Elegance on a plate. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed seeing how to make spaghetti carbonara. Easy, isn't it? So if you like all the videos that you've seen so far, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so not to miss the following ones. Thanks ever so much, and I'll see you next time.